Welcome to our Pose. This is a new video from What and Where Decor Material series. Today we are talking about very important material used in interior business. MDF panel is what you can see here. This is 18mm MDF panel. It consists of compressed wood powder in high temperature with certain chemicals. So it gives you the ability to cover large areas and large spaces with wood-like panels. So the MDF can receive wood veneer, as you can see in this example. This is wood veneer, this is natural wood veneer, or it can receive like laminate panel like this one. So the MDF is very much essential, and it's very important element in the interiors. MDF panels come in so many thicknesses and in so many quality levels. And basically it's three major categories of MDF that is around in the market. It's the normal MDF that you can see here. The normal MDF, it's having the normal wood color. That's the standard usage of MDF. Of course, this MDF, as we said, it has so many thicknesses. It can come in 3mm thickness, 6mm, 9mm, 12mm, 18mm, 24mm, and it can come in so many panel sizes, like 4x8 feet or more. When it's bigger than this, it's called like jumbo sheet. In centimeters, it comes in 122 centimeter by 244 centimeter. That's the standard size of the panel. However, if you want it bigger, there is actually bigger panels. That's called jumbo panel. It comes like in 165 centimeter, in 360 centimeter. So there are so many sizes and so many thicknesses and so many qualities. It depends on the density of the powder, of the wood powder used in fabricating this panel. Back to the three major categories in the MDF. That's the normal MDF, the standard MDF, that is the normal color. And the other type is the fire-rated MDF, that comes as red color. Fire-rated MDF means that it's resistant to fire. It has a certain time before it starts burning. It can be used in public areas where, God forbid, if in case there's any fire, it takes longer time to burn. So it gives more time to people to evacuate or to escape or to run away, and so on. So it has a certain uses for certain locations. The third type, that is the moisture-resistant MDF. The moisture-resistant MDF, it's used normally in the areas where there is a potential of humidity or there is potential of water leakage, such as the kitchen cabinets, where there is continuous potential of falling water drops or humidity. Of course, it's moisture resistant, but it's not water resistant. There is a misunderstanding, or there is mixture between these two. MDF is never waterproof. It cannot be waterproof because no matter what, the water might get in, and once the water get in, it pops like this. It's like the veneer or the laminate is peeled off because it expands, because it absorbs water. It's like a powder. So there is high tendency from the MDF to absorb water. So it's moisture resistant, means it can resist moisture and small drops of water for a certain amount of time, but it's not waterproof. So basically that was a quick brief. I hope that this video was useful for you. I thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you stay around for more videos where we are talking about more what and where decor material. Thank you very much.